Hey, what's up YouTube? This video that you're about to see was made back in September. I haven't really posted much in a really long time. I'm going to get back at it. You'll be seeing more stuff coming from my channel. If you have any ideas of what I should do next, let me know in the comment section below and I'll get to it as soon as I can. Hopefully I'll be making more videos, more tech stuff, more reviews, more unboxings, possibly some gaming stuff here and there, and probably give you a little update on my setup. I did a few upgrades and tweaks to my computer and my desk setup. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon. What's up guys? So today I was gonna do a how-to video, but I realized I've never done this before, so this is more like, hey, this is me upgrading my motherboard and processor. Don't base anything that I do as a how to do this, but base it more like, if you're watching this video, I succeeded, good job Fernando. If you're not watching this video, and Fernando, if you're watching this video, you failed and you messed up your computer. I'm going to upgrade my motherboard and processor. The motherboard I'm installing is the Asus 370E gaming edition, or gaming motherboard. The processor that I'll be putting in there is the Intel i7-8700K. It's the Coffee Lake series, and I am also installing a bigger SSD to put my operating system on. It's a 500 gig Samsung SSD. So I have the GoPro in my head. For upgrading your motherboard and your processor, the first thing you gotta do is take out the motherboard and processor. So I'll cut through all the little nitty gritty things and then we'll just do a little time lapse on my GoPro in my head. It look weird. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna show you what the first steps you need to do when it comes to getting into your computer. What you need to do to remove your motherboard. Obviously you have to remove everything that's connected to it. So we'll start off with the graphics cards already been taken off. We'll start from the bottom, work our way up. You have the pins over here in the bottom. You have your system fan, your USB cables here and here. And then you have another USB cable for the back, right here. And it would be easier if you could remove your graphics card first, because this way you don't have anything in the way. And you'll pop this guy out. And pop out this little bracket. Come on, there it goes. I like to work in one direction, so I'm working from the bottom of the motherboard all the way up. So you have your set of cables here. Remove that. You have the front hub for the USBs, and then you have your 24-pin power connector. Get those cables out of here. You have your system fan right here. We have up here, I have another case fan right there. Another system fan right there. And last but not least, your CPU cable. There it goes. My next step is to remove the CPU cooler block. I've seen some people remove these having some hard time taking it out because of the thermal paste. It gets really hard if you haven't changed it in a while. There we go. Let's see. Moment of truth. Yep. Like, oh, not that bad. Not as bad as I suspected. The next part is removing the screws from the motherboard so you can pop out the motherboard. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this motherboard. So if you have like a smaller motherboard, like an ATX or a smaller one, you just take out the screws, pop up the motherboard. I'll do a timeout for that part. Oh, another important thing you're supposed to remove is your RAM sticks. Pop out these little notches right here, and they should pop right out just like so. Not too bad. Alright, so long story short, I needed a standoff to put the motherboard on there. The standoff was stuck on the motherboard, my old one. The screw was stripped and I tried to take it off and I couldn't take it off, so I ended up drilling a hole through it to get it off and got the standoff off. Now let's continue. And everything's falling apart around me, so it's always an eventful day when I do stuff with my computer. There's always at least one thing that goes wrong. I know this is gonna be hopefully smoother now that we got everything now how it's supposed to be. But yes, moving forward, I'm going to put the motherboard in my case, put the water block on the motherboard and the graphics card back on, and hopefully it turns on and goes smoothly. Wish me luck.